Falling deeper into silence, hearing voices in the distance, drowning in my memories, fading faster than the breeze, tracing shadows in the dark, empty spaces leave their mark. I'm lost in the glow where the stars all know. Every step I take is slow in the night aglow. Whispers dance upon the breeze. Moments fade but never leave. Time still bends but I don't see.